Welcome to Natural Healing Guides and Organic Gardening Channel, your ultimate destination for a healthier, happier, and more sustainable lifestyle. Our mission is to inspire and empower you to embrace the incredible power of nature in all aspects of your life, from healing ailments through natural remedies to cultivating a thriving organic garden that nourishes your body, mind, and soul. With a diverse range of informative and engaging content, our channel is designed to be a one-stop resource for anyone seeking to live in harmony with the earth and unlock the true potential of nature's bounty. At Natural Healing Guides, we believe that the key to true health and wellness lies in the natural world around us. Our expert team of natural health practitioners, herbalists, and holistic healers is committed to bringing you the latest research, time-tested wisdom, and practical tips on using herbs, essential oils, and other natural remedies to address common ailments and support your overall well-being. From boosting your immune system to managing stress and anxiety, our channel offers guidance on how to harness the healing power of plants and other natural substances to live a vibrant, healthy life. But our passion for nature doesn't stop at natural healing. Our organic gardening channel is dedicated to helping you create a thriving, productive, and beautiful garden that not only provides you with fresh, organic produce, but also serves as a sanctuary for you to connect with nature, recharge your mind, and nourish your soul. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a complete beginner, our channel offers a wealth of knowledge and inspiration to help you succeed in your gardening journey. Our expert gardeners and horticulturists cover a wide range of topics, from soil health and composting to choosing the right plants for your climate and growing conditions. We'll guide you through the entire process of setting up an organic garden, from selecting the best organic seeds and soil amendments to mastering the art of natural pest control and companion planting. With a focus on sustainability, permaculture principles, and biodiversity, our channel aims to promote environmentally friendly gardening practices that not only benefit your garden, but also help to protect and preserve our precious planet. In addition to our in-depth videos on natural healing and organic gardening, we also offer engaging content that explores the intersection of these two passions. Our channel features unique content on growing your own medicinal herbs, creating edible landscapes, and incorporating healing plants into your organic garden. We also delve into the fascinating world of biodynamic gardening, exploring the spiritual and cosmic dimensions of cultivating a harmonious and productive garden. The Natural Healing Guides and Organic Gardening Channel is more than just a collection of informative videos. It's a thriving community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about living in harmony with nature and supporting one another on their journeys to health, happiness, and sustainability. Our channel is a place where you can ask questions, share your experiences, and learn from others who share your passion for natural living and organic gardening. We encourage you to join our community by subscribing, commenting, and engaging with our content. Together, we can make a positive impact on our health and our planet. So whether you're seeking natural solutions for your health concerns or looking to transform your outdoor space into a thriving organic paradise, the Natural Healing Guides and Organic Gardening Channel is here to support and inspire you every step of the way. We invite you to join us on this exciting journey and discover the incredible power of nature to heal, nourish, and sustain us. Because when we nurture the earth, we nurture ourselves. Subscribe to our channel today and unlock the secrets of natural healing and organic gardening. Let's grow together towards a healthier, happier, and more sustainable future.